Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it is so unstable right now. You can see that Bitcoin fell under 67k, sitting close to 66, and at the same time there are news coming out such as Michael Saylor MicroStrategy to raise $500 million to purchase more Bitcoin. So there is a lot of bullish news coming out, but at the same time the market sentiments are very negative. If we talk about the largest meme coin, Dogecoin is down 4% today, actually breaking the support close to 14 cents. A lot of fear in the market, and you can see the fear to the greed index is slowly starting to get to the middle. Now keep in mind, when that happens, this is pretty much the time when all the whales decide to accumulate, and this could be a perfect time for you to accumulate into an altcoin that can give you some insane return. And the one I'm talking about is PlayDoge. Now if you guys remember, the first time I talked about this token, they actually raised close to 400,000. Today I just realized that they have raised over $4.4 million for their pre-sale that began just about a week and a half ago. Now keep in mind, this pre-sale still has such a long way to go. A lot of you guys might be questioning, Sky, does that mean it is too late to purchase this? And the answer is no. I personally feel like just before the pre-sale comes to an end, I'm estimating the raise to be about 15 million, just to give you perspective. And once it goes public, obviously the explosion is going to become even bigger. Now keep in mind, this is a really simple token. Now if you guys don't know anything about it, first of all, look at their Twitter following. They have about 5,000, and a lot of tokens like to add fake followers. Now keep in mind, initially when I found out about this token, the following was close to 450, and it's actually growing organically. And on the 14th, just yesterday, when they made this meme about war games versus war stories, 5,000 views. Another one, 2.4k views. So they do have a huge following. Play is your currency for accessing special features. So there is going to be a game, if you guys do not know, that will be pretty much play to earn game. If you do want to play the game, you would need play tokens, and that's the one that the pre-sale is happening right now. Keep in mind, once the token goes live, there is going to be a game that will be coming out in the future. When that game gets more popular, this is just an idea that you guys can see. It looks pretty exciting because a lot of people would love their nostalgia from the 90s, and at the same time you will be able to take care of a pet. Gives you a little bit of an idea, and also gives you a little bit of a reason to come back to the game as much as possible. And the best part about this, you actually earn crypto, which is going to be play tokens. And keep in mind, a lot of people would need play tokens to actually play the game. So over time, once the game comes out and the token goes public, there is going to be bigger investment from whales coming in very quickly. Now this is their roadmap, and right now they have pretty much completed phase 1. Development begins, pre-sale concludes, token launch on DEX, and product roadmap. Mini game is going to be coming out in the launch of the mini games, and also the app for Android and everything else. Now Play token feature. Play serves as the main in-game currency for transactions. Play is required by interacting with pets and achieving success in play to earn game. And play holds value as once you have purchased it, let's say you decide to buy it in a pre-sale, you guys will be able to stake it away for 184% return per annum. And keep in mind, as more and more people are going to be buying it, obviously that amount will be going down. They have 50% pretty much set to the pre-sale, 11% for liquidity, 10% for the project fund. If you don't want to purchase this token, it's really simple. I'll link it down in the description. You just need to go to the website. Once you're there, just connect your wallet. Then you can select USDT or Ethereum. Once you've selected that, just put in how much you want, and you guys will be receiving your Play Doge. Right now, they are very still early. You can see their Telegram following is just over 4,000 followers. And also, if you look at their audit, it's clearly suggesting that everything is perfectly fine. There is no low, medium, high, or critical problems with this token. Everything is perfect. I personally feel like this is still very early into it, and they have a long way to go. They have been, featured on really big names, bitcoin.com. So if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon.